This is our project topic of PC-based high-performance dynamic weight measurement for moving objects over a conveyor by Raja Kartika, Swati and Shivaranjini. Myself, Raja Kartika. This is abstract. The project is to collect the weight data information pre-treating to each objects or fruit like mango in motion under dynamic condition from the intelligent load cell weighting platform installed in the conveyor system to grade them. When the fruits are in motion, the fruits are indexed, that is numbered and graded based on the impact weight of each fruit acting on the strain gauge members of the load cell. This action is initialized by sensing detecting the presence of each fruit just before the entry of waiting zone and triggering the load cell microprocessor event for collecting the desired weight samples. This is problem statement and this is existing problem. When the fruits are washed to remove the presence of harmful surface biochemical traces for one fruit at a time and fed at the entry point of the sorting conveyor, the fruits are transported in cup conveyor for holding them, and mechanically the cups are separated at equal distance. The weight of the object is calculated when it is stable and it can take more time and less productivity. And this is proposed system. In this we implemented that when the fruits are in a motion at the time we calculating the weight of the each fruit. In this we can consume the time and make productivity growth. And this is feasibility study, technical feasibility. The required software program codes are to be developed in C and C++ under Visual Studio development. And the backend we using MySQL is an open source relational database management system. And this is operational feasibility. This action is initialized by sensing, detecting and presence of each fruit just before the entry of waiting zone and triggering the load cell microprocessor even for collecting the desired weight samples. This is system architecture. First, the video image are captured on the top of the conveyor belt. After that, it converting into steel frame extraction, and in this the background elimination by using graph control tracking method. After, there are two techniques to identify. One is SPR technique, another one is MEDM technique. In SPR technique the maturity level is detecting. In MEDM technique quality evaluation is done. Quality evaluation, under the quality evaluation the size, the color, it will be detect. After that the database, in the database the training data will be there, and in checking that will be current data, testing phase will be there. The both is checking. If it's okay it will go to package and importing. If not it will reject it. This is the advantage of our project. In this grading enhances to set good price for graded products. By grading there is fairness to both buyers and as well as sellers. Properly graded vegetables and fruits are purchased by the consumer easily without inspection. This is requirement analysis. In frontend we using C and C++ under Visual Studio development, and backend we using MySQL database. And thank you.